Interacting with user is an important part of programming. Computers might be a lot dumb if we can't communicate with them. So let's see how we can take user input in Java. First, you will import scanner class. It is available in java.util package, and now we will create its object. Now let's take a number as an input. There are many functions available in this object. Object.nextInt is used to take an integer value. Now let's print the square of this number. Now let's run this. Here we can enter our number. Let's enter 345. Here is our answer. There are many other functions also available in this object to take different types of inputs. Some of these are, I will share the list of these functions in the description, or you can also take the screenshot. I have also prepared a few practice problems for you to practice. This will also be available in the description, and do solve these problems. We will meet in the next video.